Hey guys, Nabil from Topaz. Welcome to another midweek video where we've just finished filming this SF90 Stradale, and we actually have two more here in the workshop that I want to show you guys. But first, let's go around, have a look at what we're actually working on, and then I'll show you the two other beasts that are here. So let's start with this car. Jag, it's an XFS with a lot of power, great value for money for what it is. It's actually being detailed and putting some paint protection film on it, I believe, on the backside. And yeah, this is one of the cars that customer put film on from when it was new, and also he's just protected it all the way through. So this car is actually coming in for a tidy up, and also the rear bumper to be redone. I believe he's got PPF on the front end and side sills. So epic cars, a lot of power with these beasts. This one, we are doing which a lot of you actually like seeing. It's a stealth conversion, so you can actually see the difference before and after right there, which is quite cool for you to see if you haven't seen it before. This was a trend right at the beginning when PPF started in gloss. We then changed it to satin, and then we started doing the satin conversions. And the difference between wrapping sort of this with satin film versus a satin black film is that you're actually getting the exact same color, but just with a satin lacquer. So it gives you, if you have fleck or if you have something underneath that is a differentiator from the color, it gives you the exact same color, but just with the satin finish. So that's quite cool, and protection is very, very good on the satin film as well, exactly like the gloss film. Over here, all of you guys know what this car is. It's in this stunning blue, the Urus, one of my favorite 4x4s, not as favorite as my Range Rover. I'll say that right now. My Range Rover, it's like trumps everything for me. But it's from a looks perspective, from an image perspective, from a you know, it looking amazing on the road. This is just on another level, I think, to anything else. So this is coming in full detail, again, and full paint protection film. So over here we've got the Ferrari Portofino. This is not a normal Ferrari Portofino. This is actually a very special car because it belongs to one of our good customers. It's actually a one-off color called Taurus Blue. And Taurus Blue is actually named after his mother. So he decided to make sure that the car is absolutely perfect. So he brought the car to us. We did a level 5 detail. So we actually sanded down the whole car to make sure the reflections are 100%. And then after that, we put paint protection film all over the whole car. So again, big job on this car, very meaningful to the owner. And yeah, glad that he brought this to us. And then we've got here, again, one of the newer cars that are coming out of Maranello's, the F8 Coupe. In Nero Daytona with crema inside with the bucket seats. Very cool car coming in for full paint protection film. Again, similar with the S-duct at the front, similar to the Pista that I had. Very, very cool car. Now let's go over and talk about this, the elephant in the room. It's the Ford GT. This actual car is the second car that came into the UK after Shmi's car, which I think you guys have seen. I'll link it up here. We did a lot of work on this car. We did a lot of patterning on this car, so we know exactly what's happening with this car from start to finish. So again, this is the first customer car to come to us after Shmi's car. I think the reason why there was a delay, I think there was something to do with the emissions, so they had to change some things on the exhaust or something or other. I don't know the exact technical detail, but the car's finally with us. Epic car. So let's go over to this. This is obviously the SF90 Stradale. This is from Colchester, Ferrari Colchester. They sent it to us as for their customer. It's finished in Rosso Portofino, which is a very, very nice deep red. Again, thanks to Colchester for sending this car. It looks epic. As you can see, it just looks amazing in red. Ferraris just look fantastic in red, no matter what shade. It's got crema interior as well. As you can see, this one doesn't have the Assetto Fiorano pack, so slightly different from the one that we showed you at the beginning, with the bucket seats being a bit more, these ones are being more comfortable, so more suited for daily driving, etc. So this is a much more of a usable car from that aspect. Let's go over to here, what we have from Germany. Stuttgart. So this is the Boxer Spider. Again, one of my favorite convertibles that Porsche do. The Spitzer is the #1. This one is #2 for me. So this car's come to us all the way from Italy. This is one of the first times on a Boxer Spider that you can actually see it's a GT4 but without the roof, and that's what I like about it. We had the previous one to this, so we had the one that was a bit more like a Boxer and didn't really resemble the GT4. It was a great car, don't get me wrong, amazing visceral experience, but I think this just takes it to another level now because it's actually like a GT4, but just with the roof off, which is actually amazing. Again, the finish in this yellow, fantastic car. And I also quite like the fact of silver wheels. As you guys know, my GT3 RS Weissach Iris Blue with silver wheels. I might do a video on that actually. I don't think you guys have seen that car yet in detail. So yeah, and there you go. And then we have another car under the cover which I can't show you, but it's a Bentayga, phenomenal Bentayga. So let's go to the other room where there's a couple more other cars I want to show you guys. Follow me. Look at that. Look how that looks. It's just they look even better when they're moving. There's something about it. So as you can see right here, we've got the third SF90 finished in Rosso Corsa. Again, this is a customer car. It's just great having 3 of these cars in at one go. Absolutely amazing. So it's cool to see it in the Assetto Fiorano livery right there in front of you, then to see it in Rosso Corsa, and then you have a darker Rosso Portofino. So it gives you a good idea of what it looks like in those 3 different shades. That's that SF90. Now let's have a look at, see what else is coming out of Maranello right here. And as you can see behind me, epic Monza SP2. And again, this is in terms of design, I've said this before 100 times, it's just one of the most beautiful designs that have ever existed for a modern car, in my personal opinion. This actual car belongs to the same owner that has the Devo chassis number 1, so a very good customer of ours, and he's done a fantastic job speccing this car. It looks great, and I'm sure you get to see this car a lot on road trips and seeing it being used because he likes to drive his cars. Guys, I forgot to mention in the video that our car care product range is now live and kicking, and it's been selling like absolute crazy. I can't believe the response that we've actually got. There's been a lot of people that are enjoying the products, and a lot of people are wanting to see what all these products are about. And that is a true testament to you guys and how much you guys love our brand, and I really appreciate that. Really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So make sure to go there, check it out, and go onto our Instagram to see in the bio to see exactly where you can buy the products from. So anyway, hope you liked that video. Little recap of what we've got in. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on Sunday for our usual video. Take care.